A common modeling issue arises where, throughout the design phase, changes are made to specifications for distributed system assets and equipment already modeled within a project. Designers then need a tool that allows them to replace this existing equipment or parts with updated stock quickly and easily within a given drawing. With ShipConstructor 2024, the SC Pipe Find and Replace command now supports equipment parts. To reflect this addition, the command has been renamed SC HEP Replace. As with the existing functionality for changing pipe stocks, instead of relying on the user having to manually recreate equipment in the model drawing being worked on, the HEP Replace command provides a way to change the stocks of all selected existing equipment parts and drawings. The HEP Replace command retains UDAs, product hierarchy assignments, PIL associations, and part auto numbers wherever possible, meaning designers can save time by simply replacing stocks rather than having to manually re-enter UDAs or reconfigure product hierarchy assignments and PIL associations. In addition, the SC HEP Replace command respects the locked status of equipment parts, ensuring change management workflows are not disrupted. The HEP Replace command presents users with the list of stocks for the selected parts where they can then specify the new corresponding stock for replacement. Increase productivity while retaining data integrity throughout the functional to detailed design workflow by using the HEP Replace command to change equipment stocks, now available with the 2024 release of ShipConstructor. View this feature and learn about all tools available for your organization by visiting SSI Nexus today.